finally we made it to Sethukumba, one of the places that we wanted to come since a long time. It is quite a steepy drive when we come here. It's really interesting because the place is just open on a Saturday, and when we are just talking about the Saturday, the place is open from 7 to 5 in the morning, and you can see it's been raining quite heavily. My hands are mostly going numb, but I think I would be just fine. With that, the weather here is it's good, it's nice because it's been really foggy, so a different kind of weather, a different kind of adventure that you can see around. And if you can see, there are loads of people who come here because it's just open on a Saturday, and as this is one of the touristic places, it's become really nice with time, and with each month or each passing year, it's been quite some time that this place is one of the major attractions around the Cape Town itself. And while coming to the place, so you have to take a right from Halchok area, which is right next to the army club right there, and it is not that bad, but once you're riding or driving, you gotta be a little more careful when you are coming to the road, because we just went right across the road when we didn't realize that it was a ride from one of the midways there. There's a small path where you have to take that right, and then it's a steeper road, but it's pretty much cooler because it's gravelled and it's fished. And there you can see those different Buddhist monasteries, I would say Buddhist monarchs out there, which are really pretty because it's got one after the other. There are three of them just in one slope right there. So you can see it right across from here. It's got those gems and emerald with turquoise with a little of pink around the Buddha, and it's really cool, the place. Otherwise there's nothing much to do here. It's just about to just seeing the place around, and the gardens are really good with loads of flowers and loads of greenery around. Thank you. So this is